people get introduced to Mastercam not just when they are entering into a shop floor. A student, when he wants to come into engineering or a technical thing, a stepping stone towards manufacturing, he can say is Mastercam. I am having with me Daniel Raravi. If I will say that he is working for more than 25 years, I may able to tell this young man's people will guess the age, but that is a kind of experience what Daniel is having with the digital friend of manufacturing. This is the third edition of Phillips Demo Days in Noida. I remember our engagements during the first before 3 years. Last year also you were there in this demo days. So how this Phillips Demo Days is helping the manufacturing sector?
Well, it's an interesting question that you asked. How is it helping the ecosystem? We've been a part of the Demo Days for a little over 15-16 years now. About when it started here in India with the Phillips and Haas team. And over the period of years, the intent has always been the same, to try and present technology and solutions all together under a single roof for the benefit of the end users, which are our customers, for our own people, professionals who belong to the machine tool building industries, professionals who are in the cutting tool domains, professionals who are in the work welding and fixturing domain, measuring, and also us who are in the CAD/CAM domain. We tend to learn from each other during these events, and plus the preparation that leads to this event. And when it culminates into this demo days, we present those solutions in a very refined form to our customers.
See, the evolution of manufacturing, especially how the Western world did, is not the way we have done. America, Europe, Japan, they always took automation. How people acceptance towards the CAD/CAM or Mastercam is there compared to say 10 years before?
The interest in CAD/CAM is only growing. The interest in technology also is growing. Plus, it's not just the interest but also the adoption part of it. Now, typically what happens is you have the intent, but if you do not have the means or the the wherewithals to actually invest in something, then that dream remains a dream. What's happened over the period of the last 20-25 years in the country is that a lot of democratization has happened within this domain. Whether it is the CNC, whether it is the software, whether it is tools, everything is rationalized to the region to encourage manufacturing. I think that is the bit that my colleagues across the spectrum have created on their part to aid this growth of the small scale industries, which are the backbone of our manufacturing today. And we can see the results now. Everything is positive. There's a upbeat. Everybody wants to get into manufacturing today because of the value that it is delivering them, which was not probably seen about 20 years back.
It is not about small or big. It is about how serious you want to produce. I think if you can bring all these ecosystems, okay, a very good machine, a hard machine, Mastercam, as well as the cutting tool, the ecosystem, you can produce the globally quality products.
Absolutely. When you spoke about the Western approach towards technology, and when you look at the way we approached it here, there used to be a term called free consulting. Now, what is free consulting is you are giving knowledge, you are transferring knowledge, you are helping customers, but without getting paid for it. And a bulk of the industry colleagues and the companies that you have seen today here have been doing it consistently for the past 20-30 years. And while it may have been a notional loss in some vague term of revenue, but you can see that the ecosystem itself has brought itself up so much that there is enough business for everyone today. So it's you give knowledge, you get knowledge, and you empower people, and the ecosystem gets empowered. And that's what we've been, that's what my personal observation is in this business. We're not hesitant to provide support, provide know-how, so that people grow. When people grow, we grow.
Your association with Haas, Phillips, it's over decades.
Yes.
How Phillips become a very critical partner for you. Why Philips?
For us, it's a no-brainer because the ethos of Philips team and our teams have always been the same. To be available for a customer when they need you the most. And I think Philips is known for their support. They're known to try and subsidize the cost so that it is affordable by a larger number of people. And we've had similar policies, both when it comes to make the product affordable in the market, and plus while being affordable, we're also backing it up with enough competent technical support, which is very, very crucial. I think that is where we've had the synergy with Philips team, and we're grateful for that. I mean, it's a good combination that we've had in the market. A lot of our mutual customers have provided some very good, fantastic testimony of how things have worked for them.
I see one thing which is very common with both Mastercam and Philips is the passion. Passion for the customers to improve their quality. And I believe this partnership is definitely helping a lot. I wish it to continue furthermore for the benefit of the industry. So friends, we are here at Philips Machine Tools Demo Days in Noida, and it started today and it is going to be till Monday. So to see the latest machine and also how you will be able to have a zero defect manufacture with Mastercam is something what Daniel and his colleagues are here to tell you. So make sure you are coming here.
We welcome you all.